What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Get ready for a wild ride because today we're taking Kraft mac and cheese to a whole new level. We're talking 10 insane recipes that are gonna blow your taste buds out of the water. We got everything from classic cheddar with a twist to some crazy combinations you won't believe until you try them. Get your pots ready because we're about to cook up a storm. I'm talking melty cheese pulls, crispy toppings, and flavor explosions in every bite. Make sure you stick around to the very end because the last recipe is absolutely mind-blowing. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the cheesy goodness to come. All right, let's get cooking. All right, let's kick things off with a classic cheddar mac and cheese, but we're not just talking about the basic blue box recipe here, people. We're going all out. First, grab your ingredients. 1 box of Kraft mac and cheese, of course, a stick of butter, a cup of whole milk, and 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Don't be shy with the cheese! Now follow the instructions on the box, but here's where we level up. Once the pasta's cooked, stir in that butter, milk, and cheese. We're talking a creamy, cheesy dream in every bite. Boom! Classic mac, but way, way better. You can't go wrong with bacon, am I right? We're taking that classic mac and cheese from the last recipe and adding a whole lot of bacony goodness. You'll need about a pound of bacon, cooked and crumbled. Trust me, you want that crispy bacon flavor in every bite. Once your classic mac is ready, stir in about 3/4 of the bacon. Then pour it all into a baking dish, sprinkle the remaining bacon on top, and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Get ready for a flavor explosion in your mouth. All right, things are about to get spicy. For this recipe, you need some cooked chicken, shredded, your favorite hot sauce, and some blue cheese crumbles. We're talking next level flavor here, people. Make your classic mac and cheese, then stir in that shredded chicken, a few tablespoons of hot sauce, or more if you like it really hot, and some of those blue cheese crumbles. Mix it all up and boom! You've got yourself a buffalo chicken mac that will rock your world. Chapter 4, Jalapeno Popper Mac. Getting cheesy. Who doesn't love a good jalapeno popper? We're taking that classic appetizer and turning it into an epic mac and cheese masterpiece. You're gonna need a can of diced jalapenos, some cream cheese, and of course more shredded cheddar cheese. Did I mention we love cheese? Dice up those jalapenos, keep some seeds in there for extra heat, and mix them with some softened cream cheese. Stir that glorious mixture into your prepared classic mac and cheese. Top it with more cheese and bake it until it's bubbly and golden brown. Warning, this one is seriously addictive. Chapter 5, BBQ Pulled Pork Mac, the ultimate comfort food. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food mashup. We're talking BBQ pulled pork and mac and cheese all in one glorious dish. You'll need some leftover pulled pork, or you can grab some from your favorite BBQ joint, your favorite BBQ sauce, and some crispy fried onions for topping. This one's a game changer. Mix that pulled pork with your BBQ sauce, then stir it into your prepared classic mac and cheese. Pour it all into a baking dish, top it with those crispy fried onions, and bake it until it's heated through and bubbly. This is pure comfort food heaven. Chapter 6, Lobster Mac and Cheese Fancy Feast. It's time to get fancy, folks. We're talking lobster mac and cheese, but don't worry, you don't need to break the bank for this one. Grab some cooked lobster meat. You can find it pre-cooked at most grocery stores. Some heavy cream and a pinch of nutmeg. Stir that lobster meat and heavy cream into your prepared classic mac and cheese, along with a pinch of nutmeg for that extra touch of elegance. Heat it all up and get ready to impress your taste buds. This is fancy mac and cheese without the fancy price tag. Get ready for a fiesta in your mouth with this taco mac and cheese. It's like, well, a taco night explosion, all mixed up with your favorite cheesy goodness. You'll need ground beef, taco seasoning, salsa, sour cream, and all your favorite taco toppings. Let's do this. Brown that ground beef, then season it up with your favorite taco seasoning. Stir that into your prepared classic mac and cheese, then top it with salsa, sour cream, shredded lettuce, tomatoes, whatever you like on your tacos. This is a fun, flavorful twist on mac and cheese that's sure to be a crowd pleaser. Chapter 8, Spinach and Artichoke. Mac, a healthier twist. Looking for a slightly healthier take on mac and cheese? We got you covered. This spinach and artichoke mac is packed with flavor and veggies, but still has all that cheesy goodness you crave. You'll need some frozen spinach, thawed and squeezed dry, a can of artichoke hearts chopped, and some garlic. Sauté some chopped garlic in a little olive oil, then add the spinach and artichoke hearts. Cook it all up until heated through, then stir it into your prepared classic mac and cheese. This one's a delicious and satisfying way to sneak in some extra veggies. Chapter 9, Truffle Mac and Cheese. Taste the luxury. We're going all out with this one. Get ready for the most luxurious mac and cheese experience ever. Truffle Mac and Cheese. You'll need some truffle oil, a little goes a long way, and some grated Parmesan cheese. Once your classic mac and cheese is ready, stir in a drizzle of truffle oil and a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese. The combination of earthy truffles and sharp Parmesan is pure magic. This is next-level mac and cheese for special occasions. Chapter 10, Pizza Mac and Cheese, the ultimate mashup. Get ready for the ultimate mashup, people. Pizza Mac and Cheese. We're taking two of the world's most beloved comfort foods and combining them into one epic dish. You'll need some pepperoni slices, pizza sauce, and shredded mozzarella cheese. This is gonna be epic. Stir some pizza sauce into your prepared classic mac and cheese, then pour it into a baking dish. Top it with pepperoni slices and a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Bake it until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and get ready for a flavor explosion. This is pizza and mac and cheese heaven. Outrow so much cheese, so little time, and there you have it, folks. 10 crazy, delicious Kraft mac and cheese recipes that will take your taste buds on a wild ride. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more awesome food adventures. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.